Hello people, so today we will be solving LeetCode daily question 1750, that is minimum length of string after deleting similar ends. And in this we'll begin with string s containing of only a, b and c as character. And we are asked to apply the following algorithm on the string any number of times. And what we can do is we can pick up a non-empty prefix from the string s where all the characters in the prefix are equal. And what you can do is we can pick a non-empty suffix from the string s where all the characters in the suffix are equal and the prefix and suffix should not intersect at any index. And then what we have to do is we have to the characters also the condition is that the characters from the prefix and suffix must be the same, and we have to delete both the prefix and the suffix. Then finally we have to return the length of the s after performing the above operation any number of times. Okay, so for example, if in this we are given ca and we cannot remove any characters because the prefix and the suffix characters are not same. But in the string this like this, if we see we are having c b c a b double a and then b a c again. So firstly what we can do is we can pick up this c and this c, then delete it, then this a and then this a, and then we can delete it, then this b and this b, then we can delete it, and these two a's we can pick up and then delete them. But it's I guess it would be clear by here, but this is an edge case for not an edge case but just like a very good implementation of the algorithm. Like for example, we are having two a's at the front and a single a at the front at the end, so we still have to delete them. Then what we can do, we can pick up this single b and then we can pick up these two b. This will also be deleted, but at then we'll be just left with cca. So our answer is 3 because that's the possible only length that's the only substring which we cannot remove. Okay, so now let's firstly our worst case answer would be the length of string only, so let's just do length of s, and then let's have two pointers that are left and right, that is left comma right will be equal to 0 and length of s minus 1. Then it's also mentioned that the prefix and suffix should not intersect at any index, so we'll be using that while left is less than right and not while left is less than or equal to right. What we'll be storing is we'll be storing the character at the left position, that is s left, and then we'll be using a while loop that while my character that okay, so firstly while left is less than right and my character is left is equal to my current character, so I'll be incrementing my right pointer left plus or equal to 1, and then again similarly this that while my right is greater than or equal to left and my s right is equal to the okay. So here also we need to add a condition that if my character at left is not equal to character at right, then I'll have to break, because then there's no way I can do a possible number of moves. I'll be keep on decrementing my right pointer. Then after this here I'll be updating minimum of my answer and my right minus left plus 1. Okay, and at then I just have to return the answer. So now let's run it. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was for today. Thank you for watching.